Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time.
To replace the flipper assembly in this LG refrigerator, you will need a flathead screwdriver and Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a number 2 Phillips bit.
Be sure to unplug the appliance before working with any electrical components.
Open the flipper and remove the 2 Phillips head screws on the center door hinge. Pull the center hinge loose and push up on the flipper assembly to remove it from the track. Then unplug the wire harness. Remove the new flipper assembly from the packaging. Plug the new flipper assembly in the door and slide it into the tracks. Push the center hinge into place. Screw in the 2 Phillips head screws.
Plug in the appliance. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.